Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks on how to turn your passion into profit. Today, we're going to uncover some of the most surprising and profitable items you can sell on eBay. From vintage treasures to rare collectibles, we'll show you how to turn your clutter into cash. So, if you're ready to discover new opportunities and boost your income, stay tuned. You never know what hidden treasures you might have lying around your house. So, let's dive in and find out what's worth selling on eBay. We all have things lying around our houses that we don't utilize. These items, such as empty boxes or broken electronics, can be sold on eBay for a profit. We'll demonstrate how to accomplish it. 1. Empty boxes. The most significant information in this book is that used cardboard boxes may sell, and that high-end designer boxes are the greatest sellers. On eBay, a huge Louis Vuitton gift box is priced for $54, empty Chanel shoe boxes are $18, and vintage iPhone 11 Pro boxes might sell for as much as $9.99. Consider recycling some of the unused boxes if you want to earn additional money. 2. Cords. The most significant information in this article is that you may sell old Apple Lightning to USB chargers on eBay for as much as $14.99, as well as power cables for video game systems, laptop chargers, and even cords that connect to digital cameras for $10.79. If you have any spares, place one in your winter emergency vehicle pack. 3. Instruction manuals. The most significant information in this article is why someone may wish to acquire ancient manuals. These are not high-profit items, but since you are profiting from something that was essentially free, why not sell them? This Bosch dishwasher handbook is selling for $9.99, and if you go through Grandma and Grandpa's home and discover old instruction manuals from the 1950s, 1960s, or 1970s, you may be able to sell them for much more. If you have your automobile manual, you may be able to sell it and make some money. The price of this 1997 Toyota T100 owner's manual begins at $29.39. 4. Installation CDs, drivers. Selling old desktop software CDs may be a lucrative business. This Slackware Linux installation CD costs $14.95, while this antique Apple Macintosh system installation costs $10.99. There are alternative methods to get money quickly if you don't have any setup CDs. Selling old desktop software CDs may be a lucrative business. This Slackware Linux installation CD costs $14.95, while this antique Apple Macintosh system installation costs $10.99. There are alternative methods to get money quickly if you don't have any setup CDs. 5. K-Cups. Selling K-Cups may be a lucrative business. On eBay, a set of 108 Italian Garibaldi single-serve brewers is presently selling for $39.35, while Starbucks Holiday Mix medium roast coffee pods are selling for $78. If you want to create a career out of reselling K-Cups, sell them in quantity, since many people purchase boxes and boxes from retailers like Costco. If you have more K-Cups than you know what to do with, check out these recommendations for reusing them. 6. My Coke Codes rewards. The most unexpected item on this list is the sale of old bottle caps. The more bottle caps you have, though, the better. This package of 100 My Coke Rewards plastic bottle caps costs $10.99, so start drinking cola right now. 7. Box tops for education. Collecting box tops for education is a terrific way to support local schools while also earning money. A collection of 40 box tops may reward you up to $12, while 650 can earn you up to $38.69. You'll get terrific results if you can locate a vintage cereal box with a box top. 8. Gift cards. The most crucial information in this article is how to re-gift or sell a gift card to a store you dislike. If you've previously cashed out some money on the card, someone else may still buy it. A $50 Dick's Sporting Goods gift card costs $48, and a $432 Lowe's gift card in-store credit costs $350. You may also offer free delivery and send the code and PIN to the customer, but some consumers will prefer the real card. If you don't have any, ideas for earning free gift cards will be available next week. 9. Remotes. Selling your old remote control might be an excellent method to get income. Replacement remotes for any Samsung or LG gadgets cost roughly $5, and antique remotes from the 2000s or 1990s are sought after by collectors. This Mitsubishi antique remote control is $14.95, and there are additional technical advice to help you stay on track if you work from home. 10. Broken electronics, appliances. The ancient saying, "If it's not broken, don't fix it," has a new twist, since faulty devices and appliances may be sold on eBay for parts alone. This eBay seller has made up to $63.99 from a Whirlpool washer timer with a broken clip. 11. Craft supplies. Collect a number of fabric scraps and sell them for as much as $39.95. Yarn and specialized materials are very appealing since they are tough to match. Examine eBay listings before selling antique lace or other sewing supplies. 12. Discontinued products. Selling outdated toys or goods that are no longer manufactured might be an excellent strategy to get access to the internet marketplace. This Millennium Y2K Furby wrapped in a box costs $72.99, so you can make a fortune off of it. Other people, like you, want to get their hands on a toy that is no longer manufactured. 13. Large pine cones. A collection of 25 red pine cones on eBay may fetch up to $16.95, so a stroll around your yard might result in a sale. 14. Empty toilet paper rolls. This package of 48 empty toilet paper rolls costs $24.99. We can't believe it, but there are further uses for toilet paper rolls. If you wish to reuse your toilet paper rolls in different ways, we have some suggestions. 15. Perfume and makeup samples. The most significant information in this article is that you may sell samples from Sephora and other businesses in a mixed bag for roughly $20. This designer sample perfume package, which includes perfumes from Tory Burch, Wood, Versace, C, and Bottega Veneta, is now available for $18.88. 16. Dentures. Dentures are $19.99 on eBay, so start collecting or reselling them to earn a profit. 17. Empty perfume bottles. The beauty of an empty perfume bottle is its one-of-a-kindness, color, and opulence. If you had a collection of old perfume bottles, you might sell them all together for $16.40. You might sell both the bottle and the scent if you start creating your own perfume. The beauty of an empty perfume bottle is its one-of-a-kindness, color, and opulence. 18. Magazines. Depending on the publisher, quality, highlighted content, and other considerations, current or old magazines may sell highly. To assist someone looking for a certain issue, provide any information such as name, date, volume, issue number, and condition. Consider selling catalogs, particularly antique ones. The price of this bundle of gourmet magazines from 1991 is $24.99. 19. Empty egg cartons. The price of this package of 2012 count egg cartons is $6.99. Begin collecting and you'll soon have some money in the bank. And if purchasing all those egg cartons means you have extra protein in the fridge, here are some meal ideas. 20. Old coffee mugs. People want to replace their beloved objects if they break or wear out, therefore old coffee cups may be sold on eBay. Old Starbucks cups, which retail for $5.58 on eBay, are among the most popular coffee mugs. Check out the mug area if you're searching for a second-hand shop. Thanks for watching our video on the most surprising and profitable items you can sell on eBay. We hope you enjoyed learning about the valuable items that may be hiding in plain sight in your home. Remember, with a little research and creativity, you can turn these items into a lucrative business or a side hustle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy selling on eBay.